Boom. This is FPV Cars as it should be. Driven with a real ground radio with all the range to get around the neighborhood. For a long time, I was using my normal drone remote, a Tyrannus X9D, along with the Crossfire module in the back to drive the RC car. And while this worked, it just kinda sucked. It was always annoying trying to get the brakes to activate just right. For some reason, it never really worked too well. But after trying to figure out a better way for a long time, I think I finally got it. If you're new to the channel, please tell me what you think, and don't forget to hit subscribe. Right, we've got a whole lot to cover in this video, so let's get into it. This is my TBS Crossfire light module. It's seeing a 3-channel PPM input directly from my Kyosho radio using this cable that you can't even see because I suck at filming. The whole system is powered from this 3-cell LiPo, which I have stuck to the back of the transmitter module, which is stuck to the back of my radio using dual lock. I'll put a link in the description of what dual lock is. It's kind of like Velcro though. Here's a better look at that cable that you couldn't see earlier. The Crossfire light module actually comes with this cable, so you don't have to go searching this out. And for those wondering, your radio needs to have this plug in the back called the DSC port, which is basically bad English for PPM output. Here's a couple radios that should have it. This radio link that I found on Amazon looked like the nicest radio and definitely has the port. This Dumbo RC X6 radio looks like it has it too, but I couldn't be sure after looking at it real close. I'm really kind of bummed that my new Spectrum DX3 radio doesn't have the DSC port. But please, do me a favor and comment down below and let me know what your favorite radio is and if it has the DSC port or not. After you get your PPM cable plugged into your radio, go ahead and plug the other end into this port on your Crossfire light module. From there, it's pretty much automatic. Just make sure that your Crossfire light has the power that it needs to output whatever wattage you set it at. I set mine at 100 milliwatts and I have plenty of range. Now, for the receiver I recommend using, it's definitely the 6-channel PWM Nano receiver, and I'll put some links in the description of where you can pick one up. You will need to set these receivers up to output PWM on channels 1, 2, and 3. This is because they're set up to output Crossfire, which is normally used for drones. There's a bunch of videos on how to do this online already, but here's a quick overview of how to get into the menu settings on the Crossfire module. Speaking of other videos, in the video I put out last week, I talk about using this PWM to PPM converter to use with your car's stock receiver and get signal out to the Crossfire module. But a couple days later, a really cool YouTuber named Albert Kim put out a video that covers it way better than I was going to. If you're interested in using this type of module, or you want to use a radio that does not have a DSC output, I highly recommend checking out his video. I will put a link in the description. Now, in that video that I made last week, I actually go over a whole bunch of things on video frequencies and what systems I use and which ones I like for what purposes. Please go and check out that video and let me know if there's anything else on the channel you'd like to see. Right on, guys. Thanks. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this video with a friend. Hopefully we can get some more guys FPV racing with RC cars.